I'm Maddie and I'm the robotics educator, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do Bot Builder. Before we get started, there's a couple of items you're going to need from home. You're going to need some clear tape, some scissors, some items you're going to want to use for decorating, and a smooth surface. I have a little plate here because it won't really work on a cloth. The items inside your Clover Crate are a little battery pack that's going to be in a plastic baggie, a cup, some toothpicks, and some instructions with pictures as well. Our first step, we are going to be adding toothpicks as our little feet to our cup. So we're going to use our tape and we're going to tape those on. You might need to use a little bit more tape than you would regularly use. We're going to do it like this, and we're just going to repeat it until we have all of our toothpicks connected. For this next step, we're going to decorate. When we're doing this decoration, we want to make sure that we don't add too much weight that our robot's not going to move. So I would go easy on the decorations at first, and you can later add more on. Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab that little battery with the green pieces, and we're going to grab the other kind of dime quarter shaped battery. And what we're going to do is we're going to put one of these pieces of metal against one side and one against the other to just test it out. Looks good, it's vibrating great. So now we're just going to attach these via tape. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a piece of tape to just kind of hold it in place, and we're going to attach it underneath in our cup. So I'm going to take it, and you want to kind of make sure that this tiny battery is towards the bottom, and it's going to just go inside, and you're going to tape it into place. It should make kind of a noise. And then you're going to set it on your smooth surface, and you're going to watch your critter move. If your bot didn't immediately start turning around, it might be too heavy and have too much stuff on it, so you might need to take some things off. The last thing I want to leave you guys with is try and figure out how much weight your little bot can have on it and still move. Have a nice day. Bye!